Welcome back to another quick guide. Today I'll teach you how to check for Wi-Fi password on Windows 10. If you've connected to a Wi-Fi network on your Windows 10 PC and need to find its password, you can retrieve it using the following methods. First method, from Network Settings. Press Win+R to open the Run dialog. Type the codes on the description below and press Enter to open the Network Connections window. Now let us access Wi-Fi properties. Right-click on your active Wi-Fi network and choose Status. Click Wireless Properties. Now, to view password, go to the Security tab. Check the box for Show Characters to reveal the Wi-Fi password. Last method, through Windows Settings. Press Win+I to open these settings. Go to Network and Internet. Then Wi-Fi. Now, to view Network and Sharing Center, click on the name of the Wi-Fi where you are connected with. Then scroll down to go to View Wi-Fi Security Key. Then click on View. By clicking it, it will reveal the Wi-Fi password. By following these methods, you can easily retrieve your Wi-Fi password on Windows 10. And that's all for now, folks. Thanks for watching.